Hello students, I am going to start a new topic, ray diagrams by concave lens. Concave lens is also called diverging lens because it spreads the light rays. When the light ray come to the concave lens, it go like this. So it is called diverging lens. This is optical center, this is principal axis, and when the rays come to this lens, it will spread the rays. The rules for making ray diagrams. First, rays parallel to the principal axis meet at focus after passing from the lens. Look at this. Rays are coming, they go parallel to the principal axis, go like this. When we increase this ray backside, it will meet at focus. Second rule, rays passing from the focus go parallel to the principal axis after passing from the lens. If the rays coming from the focus, it will go parallel. And third one, the rays coming from the optical center go parallel to through the optical center back. These are the three rules. We have done these rules for making ray diagrams by convex lens also. Let us make the images by concave lens. First is when object is at infinity. How the image will be formed? What will be the position of the image? What will be the nature of the image? And what will be the size of the image? We will start. This is a concave lens. Here is the optical center of the lens. This is the principal axis of the lens. When the ray that is coming, when the object is at infinity, how the position of the image will be there. Object is at infinity, then image will be formed at focus. This is the image when object is at infinity. So what is the position of the image? At focus. If rays will come from right side, then the image will be formed on other focus. Rays are coming from left side, so rays will meet at f1. Nature of the image is, because rays are not actually meet, so it is virtual and erect image. What is size of the image? It is very small, dot size, point size, diminished. You can write dot sized image. We can write it like point sized image or diminished image. All are the same thing. Second one, object is placed between optical center and infinity. You can place the object anywhere in front of the concave lens. At every position, same type of image will be formed. Object is placed here, for example. How image will be formed? First, the rays will meet at focus, and second, from top of the object through the optical center. Here is the image formed. This is the image. How image is formed here? First, ray go parallel to the principal axis and it will meet at focus. Second, ray go through optical center, will pass through the optical center. When these two rays meet, the object will be placed its image. Position of the image is between optical center and focus. And second is nature of the image, virtual and erect. And third is size of the image, smaller than object. You can see height of the object is this and height of the image is this. Concave lens always form virtual and erect images. Only two images are formed by concave lens. First, object is at infinity, and second, object is placed between optical center and infinity. Every time it forms virtual and erect image, and size of the image is smaller. These are the ray diagrams by concave and convex lens. Next,